Solar is your energy. Solution is our profession. Xiamen Tripsolar Technology Company Limited was established in 2018 and owns 4,400 square meters production line and warehouse. Tripsolar is Alibaba SGS assessed supplier. Located in Xiamen City, Fujian Province, China. Our products are solar mounting system, such as solar floating system, solar carport system, solar ground system, solar roof system, solar RV system. We have roughly 55 workers in our own holding factory, 13 people for sales department, 3 for develop team, 3 for quality team, and the rest ones for production team, material purchasing, and some internal work. After 3 years of development, we have a professional team. Since 2018, Tripsolar is Alibaba.com assessed supplier 4 years in a row. Since 2018, the company has reintroduced advanced equipment within monthly production capacity of over 50 megawatts and built its own solar station at the same time. So far, the company has sold to all over the world, including America, Europe, Oceania, Asia, and Africa. As long as you put forward your requirements, our team will give you a solution, provide the drawing of mounting structure, and customized service. Tripsolar insists on professional and innovation, on products research and development, provides effective guarantee to customers with professional, and create more value with innovation. In conclusion, quality first, best faith priority. We want to manufacture best solar mounting solution for our customers.